Hello everyone. Now Cosderma has launched 3 Oxygenio kit. That kit you can use with the Oxygenio machine. It's a 4-step kit. Now we have in 3 variant. Oxy Balance, that is used for the acne prone skin. Oxy Bright, that is for the brightening, and this is the Rejuvit for the anti-aging. Now we have 3. Now I'll show you what are the steps inside the kit. Now this is the first step. This is the cleanser that you can use as a first step for the clean up the face and remove the makeup. Now after that we have phase 2. This is the gel you need to apply, and after applying we need to assemble the capsule. This is the Oxygenio capsule in step 3. Now I'll show you how to assemble it. Now this is comes in 3 parts. This is the capsule holder, this is the gum stick, comes with the kit, and this has the capsule. We need to take one capsule. This is the capsule. Now we need to stick one gum stick on the capsule holder. Now we can place the capsule on it. Now it's ready to use. Now this is the machine handle. We can put it. Now it's ready to use. We can apply the gel. Over the gel we can use like this. After that we have step 4. This is the serum. That's all. After that you can apply mask, face sheet mask, whatever you need, or directly you can leave on.